Alright, this is the introduction video to the web design module. We're going to be using HTML, so let's jump right into it. A little background information. HTML is hypertext markup language. It's a programming language, more of the simpler ones, to make web pages. Okay, because when you make a web page, you see everything. Okay, but you probably don't really understand what goes on the back side of this. So if we go to View Page Source, all right. We've got all of this code, okay? And someone had to write all of this code, all right? Our pages are not going to be anywhere near this complicated. But this is HTML code. There's certain structure called tags that we need in there to make the page look how we want it so the user sees it like this, okay? This is Craigslist, a very simple site. Basically, it's just a huge page full of hyperlinks to different places, and then more hyperlinks beyond that, okay? Millions of hyperlinks. You look at a more complicated page like ESPN, and a lot more going on, a lot of other stuff, still a lot of hyperlinks, but a lot more complicated code, okay? And other stuff, scripts, CSS, things like that we're not going to talk about right now in this video. Okay, so let's just talk about how to get started here. Here's what you guys see, and this is kind of a step-by-step on what you should do to go through to do this unit. We're going to use a program called Notepad++, so let's check that out quick. It's most likely going to be on your desktop. Okay, mine's going to look a little different here, but you're going to click on an icon that looks something like this, and then it's going to open up this editor. Okay, so to get started, you're going to say File, New, and it's basically, you can start typing code in here. Okay, I already have a document set up so that we can check it out. Let me open it quick. Basic page, I think. Okay, with some of these things in, these are called tags that you're going to put in. Another video is going to explain what these are. Okay, but just so you can see, this is not a web page yet. I'm missing one. Okay, whatever shows up in here, that's what's going to show up on the page. Okay, so I like to use this thing called a live preview, and hopefully all the pages, all the computers will have this set up. But if you go to Preview HTML, this is what my page looks like right now. It's blank. But as soon as I put something in there, okay, it pops up, and this is what my page would look like. If you want to see it in a browser, and a browser is a program that can basically decode all that code that we write and turn it into a visual that people can see and understand, we can check this out on a browser. So here's how we save this. File, Save As, okay, and this program has a lot of stuff it can do. Most of this stuff, you guys won't have any idea what this stuff means. Probably half this stuff I don't even know what this means. But the one we're looking for is HTML right there, hypertext markup language. Okay, and I click Save. It says it already exists. Say yes. And now if I wanted to, I could open this up in a browser. Okay, in this case I'm using Firefox. Okay, so I think that's it. If we go back here and go to the next step, you need to watch a little introduction video. This will just give a better job of what web design really is and the field.
Michael Burke, can you please call extension 8805?
Okay, that's
Michael Yurkovich, not Michael Burke. Please call 8805.
That's
Michael
annoying.
Yurke, 8805.
That's annoying, but I really don't feel like re-recording this. So a little video about that, and then you're going to do some questions about terminology and so on. This one has a lot of videos to watch, but that's about it. A good short introduction on the unit.